What if a shark could fly and dive like a submarine?
Huh?
This is Hydro Attack, a shark-shaped speed machine in New Zealand that swims, flips, and launches like a missile. It dives 2 meters deep at 40 kilometers per hour that explodes out of the water at 80. Inside, feels like a fighter jet in a shark's stomach. Just you and the pilot. You choose wild or mild. And yeah, it even has teeth and a dorsal fin. One Redditor said, "It's like SeaWorld built a fighter jet. It's real, it's terrifying, and people pay to ride it." Bet you didn't know that. Want to know more? Subscribe.